Open charging port.
Opening the charging door. Opening the charging door.
Close charging port.
Closing the charging door. Closing the charging door.
There's no charging indicator at all. Also the open close button doesn't work. So the Hyundai service is going to look into it. I think this part of the charging door assembly is broken. There is no charging indicator working at all. As you can see, there is no light. There should be lights, and also the open close button doesn't work. I know that right now the plug is in, but even when the charging is finished and the plug is disconnected, the open and close doesn't work. So the door has been repaired, and right now when I push the button, it opens, but it also shows the charging status.